Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports with our 2013 Honda NC700. This bike was just traded in by its previous owner. He decided to go with the automatic transmission model, and it only has 612 miles. This bike is in perfect shape. It is also equipped with the factory tall windscreen and also some nice grips. They're padded type grips. This is a twin cylinder 670. It's a fantastic commuter bike, the best commuter value on the market right now. Excellent seating position, nice wide handlebar, fantastic fuel economy. I personally own one of these bikes. I have 9,000 miles on it. I'm averaging 55 miles per gallon, and I drive about 80 to 85 miles per hour. This thing is a tremendous commuter, super high value motorcycle, very easy to maintain, long lasting tires, great handling. Come by, check it out. We're offering this bike for only $64.99. It's the Honda NC700X. Kind of an adventure style bike, but certainly not a bike to take off-road, but it's a really great bike for commuting. It's got a beautiful stainless steel exhaust system on it. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Come by, check it out. 2013 Honda NC700X, only 612 miles for just $64.99. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.